the Saramonic BlinkMe B2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at some wireless microphones by Saramonic, the BlinkMe B2. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. With the microphones, it comes with a storage case and a wide assortment of accessories. Opening it up, you will see the receiver and the two transmitters. You also have the phone holder with a cold shoe mount. On the top, you'll find the 4 magnetic transmitter clips, 2 magnetic clips, 1 cold shoe mount, the TRS to TRS audio cable, USB-C charging cable, 2 windshields, and some screen protectors. Briefly going over some specs, this comes with 2 wireless transmitters which have a touchscreen and a receiver which also has a touchscreen. This can be a 2-person wireless microphone system or just used as a single microphone. The transmitters have a 9-hour runtime with a 1.3-inch TFTP touch display. Built-in condenser microphone. It has 8 gig memory that can be used for onboard recording, gain control, and it takes 2.5 hours to charge. The receiver has a 0.96-inch TFT display that is touchscreen as well. 24-hour runtime and it takes 2.5 hours to charge. It has gain control. The receiver is the main unit that charges the transmitters. They also have app integration. Taking a look at the BlinkMe, you can see the transmitters on each side of the receiver. It attaches by magnets, and when it's docked, it will charge the transmitters. The receiver has a bright touchscreen display so you can see the status of the connected microphones. Swiping down, you can toggle the recording modes, receiver and transmitter gain levels, display settings, pairing, brightness, and reset the device. On one side, you have the 3.5mm output, 3.5mm monitor port, and the USB-C port. The other side, you'll find the power button and the gain adjustment buttons. The microphones are slim and have a disc shape with a bright front display. Swiping up, you can toggle the onboard recording options, noise reduction, gain, brightness, display, and general settings. And on the side, you have the power button and the noise reduction button. As mentioned earlier, it comes with an assortment of accessories. The magnetic mount is easy to attach on the microphones, as well as the magnetic clip. On the receiver, it comes with a cold shoe mount. And this is how it looks attached to a DSLR camera. You can also have the display facing forward as well. Okay, now I have the microphone here. I'm going to go ahead and use the magnet and attach it on my shirt. So you can see it's really easy to attach. I found that the hook, depending on what shirt you're wearing, it will kind of pull down on it because there's a little bit of weight to it. So you're probably better off using the magnet. So right now you're hearing the audio coming out of the BlinkMe microphone, and I'll switch it to the onboard camera microphone so you can hear the difference. Okay, so right now the audio that you're hearing is the onboard DSLR microphone. So hopefully you can hear the difference between the BlinkMe and the regular DSLR microphone. Alright, switching back to the BlinkMe. Alright, now I'm back to the BlinkMe microphone. This does have a noise reduction feature, so I'm gonna put on some noise in the background, just like simulate a crowd, and then I'll turn on the noise reduction so you can hear the difference. Okay, now I have some crowd noise in the background. I haven't turned on the noise reduction, so you can hear the difference. So this is without the noise reduction. Hopefully you can hear the noise in the background. Now I'm gonna turn on the noise reduction. Okay, now I have the noise reduction feature turned on. The noise in the background with the crowd is still going, so hopefully it did reduce the noise. And yeah, this is how it sounds with the noise reduction. Alright, so that's a look at the BlinkMe microphones. Very versatile, comes with many accessories. Here you have the two microphones and the receiver. You can use it on your DSLR, on your smartphones, for vlogging, interviews, or podcasting. Many uses, and definitely I think there's a great value in these microphones.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.